Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you follow me tools. So by using this tool, whatever things we can do and which type of design we can create that I'm going to explain in this video. So let's start. So if you are new, please go back and follow my previous video and subscribe to my channel. So how to use follow me, and suppose if you want to create a staircase and any type of table or any elevation design or decorative atom, you can use follow me. Only by just only one click you can create this type of design. First we will see a very simple one. Now we are having this table which is having at corner little curvy shape. So what we can do for this, now here we have to use extrude command first, then we will extrude little bit, and then here you will get the option for the follow me. So select that particular option and select that face, and then select which reference axis or line you want to create that particular shape. So you can see easily you can turn this to the up to this shape, and again you can go up to the end point where you want to create. So as you can see in this particular table, we have created this edge which is having arc shape. So why we have to use follow me? If you will try by using the extrude command, we couldn't do the uh, extrusion for the this corner because it is having smooth corner, and so that we can't extrude that particular face. So we have this very much important and interesting command, that is a follow me. So let's do for the staircase. Suppose if you are having 3 feet length for the stair, and then we will, so now I'm going to extrude first this little bit, and then same thing I'm going to do for this also. So go for the follow me tool and select the particular line. So why I'm going to use this, because as you can see in this particular video, if you want to use the extrude command, what we have to do, we have to extrude here, again we have to extrude downward side, again we have to extrude. So reduce that step, and to minimize that steps, we have to use the follow me command. It is a very quick command, and within the few seconds we can create any 3D model or 3D shape. So that we have to use follow me command. So let's do here. So here we are having this table, so which is having yes or curve shape we can call. So up to where we want, there we have to click. So as you can see, we have created such type of design. So it doesn't matter which shape you are having, any complicated structure you can create like this by using only one click, that is a follow me. Just we have to give little extrusion for the starting phase, and then we have to give the follow me command, and up to where you want to create, there we have to give the follow me uh, command. So I hope you have understand. This is a very interesting and very easy step. You can try by your own. Just search on the Google furniture models or furniture modeling for the SketchUp, or any particular shape table, or any staircase type, circular stair, any you can search any type of design, and then you have to try for the follow me command. So I hope you understand, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Again, I'm having Instagram page, there you can follow, you can search Swati Design Studio, and there you can DM me for any issue or query. Thanks for the watching.